All right, so what we're going to do to install the stroke counter on an 1840 is you're going to take this bolt out right here. You'll take the top cover off, and we're going to install the sensor right in that hole. And then go ahead and make sure that these nuts on the sensor are tight before you put it in there. And that's about where the sensor needs to be. It does have some forward and reverse adjustment right there. Then what we're going to do is take and roll the flywheel over by hand. Okay. Until the feeder fork arm is at the closest point to that sensor. Okay, and I'm just going to hold that flywheel with my leg like that so it can't roll. And then we're going to take that sensor and push it forward, since we just hand tightened that bolt. So it's about 1/4 of an inch from that sensor, or from that feeder fork arm. Quarter of an inch gap right there. Then you can go ahead and tighten the bolt up that's holding the sensor on. And then this cable routes over the top and plugs into the wire harness.